So let's start. Today we will discuss about multiple nuclei theory of Harrison and Mark. Multiple nuclei theory of city design. It's this theory about city design. The basic idea of Harrison and Mann was that the city doesn't start from one nuclei. You can see the board. Yes. City does not start from CBD. It starts from multiple centers, multiple nuclei. The basic idea of this theory is multiple nuclei. So that it is called multiple nuclei model. The basic idea is multiple nuclei. Means in other theories it was shown to be started from a single nuclei, that was CBD. Here multiple nuclei are there, multiple origin centers are there, and you can say there are multiple CBDs. If you like the idea of CBD, there are multiple. And why multiple nuclei? Why the Harrison and Ullmann said multiple nuclei are there? Yes, Manish. Why multiple nuclei?
सॉरी सर, मुझे पता नहीं है सर.
Okay, Harrison and Ullmann said that different activities cannot group in same cluster. He studied Harrison and Ullmann given the concept of clustering in the city. So they said that there are different clusters, and you can see, and different one type of activities, related activities in one cluster, another type of activity, types of activity, clusters on the basis of types of activities. So there are different clusters. Cluster, you know, I think you know the cluster. What is the cluster? To which we call clusters. Yes.
सर ग्रुपिंग सर.
Grouping, yes. Grouping of similar. Yes, Amara. Yes, Amara, you were saying something?
Sir, I was replying to the question. Settlement.
Yes. What was that?
Sir, cluster means settlement, I think.
Settlement, yes, but here they are referring to activities, same types of activities in the same cluster, and those clusters were their zones. They said that same types of activities are clustered in one area. That is a cluster, a group of same. So they have given the multiple nuclei model or theory was given by Harrison and Ullmann in 1945. So you can see in the image that one CBD is there in the middle. You can see, yes, you can see in the image. There is an image in your group. I have sent an image, model image. So there is a central business district in around pinkish color. Central business district, you all know. Central business district. There is one central business district, but according to them, there are multiple nuclei. One nuclei in central business district is there, although it is situated almost in the center of the city, and then adjacent to the central business district in dark brown color is, what is that? Yes. What is that? Yes. Can you see the image? Yes, refer.
Low class residential.
Yes, yes. Low class residential area. Reasons are the same as in previous theories, because they are needed in commercial hub of the city. And then there is a yellowish block in where it is. There is a yellowish block in between two big clusters. There is a yellowish block that is outlying business district. So it is another CBD, you can say. It is not CBD, but it is a business district. Business district mean? Yes. What do they mean by business district? Yes. What do they mean by business district? Business district means commercial district, where the commercial activities predominate, overwhelmingly dominate. So there is an outlying business district. That is another nuclei. And there is a purple block near CBD and a wholesale light manufacturing block. That is low class residential area. Okay? That is low class residential area. Then there is a big block, a green block. You can see it clearly. It is medium class residential area. And then adjacent to the medium class residential area is high class residential area, and a greenish tinge color. And the outlying business district is between these two. That is overlapping. You can see that is overlapping. So it can be a commercial hub for these two areas, at least for nearby population. And then there is a block outside these at a little distance, that is residential suburb. Suburbs, you know, discuss it. And then there is a bluish, you can say light blue color, that is heavy manufacturing. It is not very far from central business district and not very near from central business district. Heavy manufacturing takes place. And one outlying block of black color is industrial suburbs. So these are the blocks. According to Harris and Ullman, the city is designed into, most of the cities are designed onto that model. And they studied actually which city? Chicago. And they are, according to Harris and Ullman, they are improvement on concentric zone model. So they said that city cannot be in concentric circles. It was an attempt to explain the structure of the city, taking into account the complexity and growth over time. With growth and complexity increases, and so and they urge that a city might start with a single CBD, but over the time the activities scatter. They scatter, they cluster, and they get modified. The scattered activities attract people, and that becomes a new nuclei, a new cluster. If you are not seeing, it's a cluster. Actually, this is a cluster model of city design. So, Harrison, basic idea, two basic ideas was with this model, that city cannot be centered around one nuclei. There may be, and different sort of activities cannot be grouped into one cluster, the same cluster.